Right. Problems if you start doing the number 7th assignment actually we are doing and already started with the numbers 1 and 3 finish. Go for second problem. PQ, comma, PR are two sides of triangle ABC. Find the angle in which area is maximum. The angle between them means between these two sides only. Two sides including angle. Actually, this problem is not come under syllabus, but it is there for mains and other things. All that West fellows know this chapter. We have so many scientists here. They know about this chapter. Two sides included angle. What is that story called? Properties of triangles, sine rule, cosine rule, tan rule, so many we did. Other West fellows they know that, hence they can start doing. But at present I write one result. What he is asking, find the angle theta such that area is maximum. We need that area, means the theta value. First, write down formula. When two sides included angle given, S represents area of triangle PQR is equal to half AB sin theta. Okay, this is called formula from other chapter. You can consider it only as a result. Okay, half AB sin theta. Where sin theta lies between -1 to 1. What is meaning? Maximum is 1. Therefore, S has maximum when sin theta is 1. When sin theta is 1, what is theta value? Pi by 2. He is asking theta value. Sometimes they will ask how much that area. Also we are writing that maximum value is maximum area is half AB. This one. When sin theta is 1, this is only answer. So what all that you have to consider is solution is very simple. Only when if you know this result. You don't know the result because it is not in our regular syllabus. Hence we are writing extra synopsis formula half AB sin theta. As far as CET, we do not have this in regular syllabus, but we need. So the result is extra result from other chapter. As for mains and IIT students concerned, they know this. Total chapter know that not only area, sine rule, cosine rule, tan rule, do so many different forms, everything they know that. That is not issue. Because it is not in CET, so we have to write in your synopsis extra formula area of triangle half AB sin theta. Included angle this is. Okay. This is about. Why we wrote immediate answer? Because we know sin theta maximum minimum values. If not, what you do generally, if you don't know this logic, they have to go for minimum or maximum means derivative only. We have to find first derivative equating to 0. What is first derivative here? Half AB constant, sin theta derivative cos theta. Equating to 0, then cos theta must be 0. What is theta value? 90. That is why. This way you can write to simple case, object oriented. This is procedure. In any case you can understand. Now, fourth problem, the curve y minus e power xy has a vertical tangent. Danger. Extra. When you know a new words present means danger. Okay. At the point, he is asking the curve has tangent, but the tangent is vertical. What is meaning of vertical and horizontal? You draw one curve, suppose any curve is drawn. This is tangent, parallel to x-axis. This is tangent, parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis. This is neither parallel to x and y. But here, if I draw one tangent, now you see, this is vertical tangent. Vertical in the sense parallel to y-axis. Okay. Hence, write down here, tangent is vertical. So, parallel to y-axis. Since the slope of y-axis is infinity, slope of y-axis is infinity, therefore slope of tangent must be infinity. Slope of tangent must be infinity means, what is slope of tangent symbol? Dy by dx must be infinity. Then we need derivative, but function is given in this way. We should simplify into a simplest form. E power xy is equal to x plus y. By definition of log, xy is equal to, okay, you cannot separate x or y, right? This problem cannot come under variable separable for differential equations. When you are not able to separate, what is that function called? Implicit function. If you are able to separate explicit function, that is definition and difference between implicit, explicit functions. If you are able to separate, called explicit. Suppose x equal to y square are explicit function. Very good. X square plus y square equal to r square are 4, then x square equal to 4 minus y square. We are able to write either x in y or y in x. Any one is enough. Explicitly. Hence we say here the function is written as x in terms of y explicitly, exclusively, separately, isolated. All are different scientific. Okay? This is definition. If you are not able to break them, here you cannot write x is alone. You take y here. Log of x plus y by y. But x present. All x one side, all y one side. Explicit. Not possible. Implicit. Hence here, this problem and example indicates the function is implicitly related between x and y. That is what. Okay? Exact concept, everything, that terminology they suddenly use in mains exam. So therefore we are discussing all synonyms. Okay, leave it. What is our actual concept here? Its derivative must be infinity. Find derivative. Okay. X dy by dx plus y equal to 1 by x plus y into 1 plus y1. 1 by x plus y plus y1 by x plus y. All y1s must be one side. y1 common. X minus 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by x plus y. y1 multiplied x into x plus y minus 1 equal to 1. X plus y cancel all the time, not written. Okay? Denominators cancel. X plus y is non-zero, so we are cancelling. Then x into x plus y minus 1, therefore then very clear. Okay? y1 is equal to 1 by x into x plus y minus 1 must be infinity is same as 1 by 0. Therefore, x into x plus y minus 1 must be 0. Or maximum suppose equal to 1. Now, instead of solving, you cannot solve, not easy. What you do? In ABCD, which of the options will satisfy to get 1? See, first point, 1 comma 0 given, 1 comma 0, x equal to 1 right now, 1, 1, 0, 1 getting correct. Second option, no point, not correct. If you fail for C, A, C, D, then B will be correct. What is C option? 0, 1. When x equal to 0, everything is 0 only. 1 not getting. D option, 0, 0. Also not satisfied. Then out of all 4 options, who is best? So answer is 1 comma 0. Okay, easy to finish. This is all called a vertical tangent. Tangent is vertical, parallel to y-axis. Number 5. Okay, number 5 also important. See, number 5 is find the point at which tangent to the curve. Tangent to the curve. What is curve here? Quadratic function, parabola. Parabola given. The tangent is parallel to another line is given. 3x plus 9. One tangent parallel in the sense 2 lines are parallel. When we say 2 lines parallel, slopes equal. Okay. If we consider this parabola like this, you draw tangent anywhere. Suppose I draw here tangent at this point P. Right? Given this is parallel to this line y equal to 3x plus 9. 2 lines are parallel. Here what is slope? 3. Then here what is slope? 3 only. M equal to 3. What is that M represents in this chapter? dy by dx. For that, hence now we have to go back to find out the differentiation, that 4x minus 1. This is the slope of tangent to the curve. This is slope of the line. Equating to this number, slopes equal. Then x equal to 1. We want to find point. Now you got x coordinate. How to get y coordinate? Write down in the problem. What is y value? 2. 1 cancel. Therefore 2. 1 cancel. 2. What is point you got? 1 comma is the answer. One parabola given. One line is drawn somewhere. For this line, parallel tangent. Slopes equal. Slope means derivative. X value. Point lies on the curve. Substitute x value. That gives y value. So answer must be, what are the options? 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 9, minus 2, 1. Okay, hence second option is correct. Okay. Here, sixth problem, all of you change your sentence. Rate of change of surface area given. This is not surface area. Because of options you will not get. It is volume. Sixth write down. Rate of change of volume of sphere. Rate measure, second level. First I gave in the list. First level already we did. Motion of the particle. Second level means geometric shapes. Circle, square, cube, rectangle, triangle, all that will come here. Sixth problem, after correction. remove that surface area. Rate of change of volume. Rate of change of volume of sphere. Of radius r. When r is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per second is proportional to, he is asking proportional to somebody. Rate of change of radius, rate, compulsory they have to give units. Okay, centimeter per second. What is meaning of that? As per dimensional formula in physics, how you have to mention this? Centimeter per second. Time, distance, ds by dt. Because it is radius, distance becomes length. Indirectly both are same. Okay. So what is given here? dr by dt is how much? 2. That is called rate of change of radius. Increasing, positive value. If they write decreasing, you have to put minus sign. So this is what data. What they want? What is the rate of change of volume of sphere? What is volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then what is dV by dt? Because he is asking rate of change of volume. Derivative of v with respect to time. dV by dt. How much here? 3 cancel. 4 pi r square. You are doing derivative of variable. Once you do derivative of variable followed by its error. What is our formula in errors and approximations? F dash x delta x. R is variable. 4 pi r square into delta r. Change of radius. That delta r is here. dr by dt. Okay. How much dr by dt? 2 given. Then what is the answer? 8 pi times r square. Where 8 pi is constant k. Also it is positive. Then what is implied? dV by dt is proportional to r square. Rate of change of volume is proportional to r square. That is the answer. See, 1 by r square, 1 by r square, r. Third option. Sixth problem. I remember it is the volume. See, correct? Suppose if you get negative value, inversely proportional to negative value. Volume increases, radius decreases. All that concepts you understand. You do that things more into depth for physics. Here, rate of change of volume is proportional to square of its radius. That is what? Square of its radius. Okay, as for ABCD, just I gave you correction, not necessary. We can also do with surface area. Okay, surface area of sphere also we can do. That is also one problem only. What is surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square derivative 8 pi r. 8 pi r into dr by dt 2. 16 pi into r. So it is proportional to r when it is a surface area. Okay, model is possible. Now, seventh onwards, we will continue. All problems are important. Okay, very guarantee model it is all. So from 7th we will start next class. Meantime, you can also try for some more problems here. Very, very important. 7th particularly mains problem. Okay, we will stop here. Next we will continue.